Hi, I'm Edd China and I'm here to explain to you how to do some simple car maintenance jobs. First up, how to change your oil. Before we do the oil change, we're actually going to do an engine flush. Very simply, for an engine of this size, just need one can of this. Pour it straight into where the oil goes. And all we need to do is run the engine for about 10 minutes or so. So the engine flush has now done its thing. Take the oil filler off and also just pull the dipstick out just to stop any vacuums when we drain the oil. And now, time to get the car off a bit. Right, so you have to find your sump plug. And when you undo it, you'll be a little bit careful, because you're going to end up with this hot oil everywhere. Now, while we're still under the car, very important to put the drain plug back in, and ideally, you put on a brand new washer. I'm just removing the oil filter. Right, so now for the brand new oil filter, just get a little bit of oil, just wet the seal. So now we come on to actually fill up the car. Now, you can use the LIQUI MOLY oil guide to find out what oil your car should actually be using, but also how much. Well, this car has done an amazing 153,000 miles, and now with the oil change, it's good for many, many miles more.